Hi everyone, this is our latest installment of the Skincare Simplified class series. Today we are covering everything you need to know about peeling skin, both as a common concern. Here you might experience at home and as a professional treatment option. By the end of this session, you will understand the difference between accidental skin peeling like from sunburn and a controlled and professional chemical peel. And then the various causes of peeling skin from environmental factors to underlying conditions, potential treatment options for a healthier, more vibrant complexion. Channel, please do subscribe. Here, peeling skin is nothing but a removing of skin known as peeling skin. Simple as that. Due to changing weather, start to removing skin by hand, finger and leg finger. It is mostly seen those people are more connected with water. And then skin also remove during summer season. Next, we'll see the causes. Causes for peeling skin. Environmental changes, sunburn, weather condition, and then vitamin deficiencies, dehydration, and then psoriasis, eczema. These are the causes here. Here, psoriasis, that is a skin disease marked by itchy, scaly patches, and then eczema is nothing but it's a medical condition in which patches of skin become rough and inflamed with blisters, which causes itching and bleeding. These are the causes of peeling skin. Next, we'll see the symptoms here. It may be itchy, that is itching. We can see the redness, flakiness, pain, and then dryness. These are the common symptoms of peeling skin. Next, we'll see the diagnosis here. Medical history has to collect the medical history, and then skin test, biopsy has to be done, and then skin sensitivity test is needed, and then blood test is compulsory. And next, we'll see the treatment here. First, there will be the provide non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medicines, and then phototherapy if needed, and then anti-allergy drugs, corticosteroids can be given. And then here, tablet cyclosporin 50 mg BD, that is twice in a day. This medicine is immunosuppressive medicine, that is cyclosporin, you can see in the image. And the next one is hydrocortisone ointment. Ointment can be applied, that is TDS, thrice in a day. And then next, calcitrol ointment, that is also PD, twice. And then next, if skin peeling due to allergy, then tablet can be prescribed, that is tablet is given Montelukast, that is OD, once in a day. And then next, painkillers like ibuprofen, tablet ibuprofen BD, that is twice in a day. I hope you all are clear with the peeling skin. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative topics. Thank you for watching.